Hornbill. Guys, see that big thing sitting on top of their beak? That is what we call the calves. We believe that this acts like a vibrating chamber to make their voices louder. See, hornbills are quite chatty. Their calls range from deep booming sounds to graze like a donkey, toots, bellows, and cackles. Now, I know it's a little hard to see, but hornbills have eyelashes. You see that? That makes them so cute and sexy. Rick here eats a combination of fruits, insects, and small animals. Now their beaks are quite handy because Rick here can pluck fruit from trees. For example, which one do you like? The mango. And it's quite big enough that Rick here can catch the fruit in mid-air. Ready, Rick? There you go. Very nice. Now, there are 10 species of hornbill in the Philippines, but tragically, 7 of them are endangered of extinction. The main cause? Habitat destruction along with hunting, trapping, and nest poaching for the wildlife country. We are very lucky to have cool birds like this, but we need to take better care of them. So guys,